Hi guys, in today's video I'm making a Christmas wreath. And this is for my front door. Now we need some zip tie, but before we go on to that, I picked up these balls from the bin a good while now. I have these in there. I wish I had some white, but I don't, and I don't feel like buying anymore to get any more, so we're gonna work with these. They look Christmassy already. It's just that we don't have any white. And I'm gonna use some of these. These I picked up from Big Lot, I believe. No, it was last year when you know, after Christmas, whatever. This wasn't the idea for it, but it come up in the idea. This as well. I picked up this from the Dollar Tree to use it last year. Didn't end up using it, so we went to something different. So this we have. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove these. So I want to start with these. And guess what? I forgot to plug in my glue gun. Oh yeah. And I am burning up. Now this is going outside, so I believe I have to put some form of E6000 on the wreath, not on the glue gun can use for the balls, but to put them down on there. I know I have more ornaments, but it's to look for them. And I honestly don't have the patience. So what I'm gonna do, also pick up these at the Big Lot. You know, after Christmas they have the 50% off, blah 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 blah. So what I want to do is to go around these. I wish I had more big ones. Cool. Oops. Oh, it's right. See, it's not coming off. It's not coming off already. So for the open space, I'm gonna use a clear one. Oh, I have a lot of way to wipe. Okay, guys, so you guys have an idea what I'm doing, right? Sometimes I use too much glue. I wish I had some more clear ones to go around the end, but I don't. That's all that came in the container. 6 of them. That looks so nice with the clear ones. Okay, moving on. So I'm gonna put this here. So I'm gonna finish around here, then we'll come back. This Christmas board is from the Dollar Tree. $1.50. And I put on some lights. Now what I want is, I'm gonna see if I find I'm gonna look in my Christmas stash to see if I find any Christmas bowl, and put it right here. If not, I just make one. Okay, so next time you see my Christmas wreath is gonna be on the door. Okay, so I'm gonna look for a bowl and put it on display. So here is my Dollar Tree Christmas wreath. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe, like, turn the notification bell on so each time I upload, you know it, you're the first to know. And I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas.